can't switch back to classic Facebook page. So this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So there are two ways. First of all, you need to do is open a Facebook app and then click on your profile. This is the first way. Click on the three dots. In some phone there is option of switch back to classic. Our phone doesn't support that option, so simply click back and click on the three horizontal lines. Click on help and support and then click on report the problem. Click again on report problem. Report is being created and now click on include. Scroll down and simply click on the option of pages and then here you need to write whatever issue you are facing. Here you need to request the Facebook family to switch back your Facebook page to classic and click on the submit, and within the next 24 hours your Facebook page will be switched back to classic. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.